Alright, so let's delve into discussing 15 income streams that you can kickstart in 2024 to generate revenue. I'm going to categorize them into leveraging time, expertise, brand, and money. This way, irrespective of your circumstances, you can utilize your existing skills, talents, or resources. I'll be evaluating each based on personal experience and analysis to identify the most promising opportunities. Firstly, let's address leveraging time. If you have ample free time but lack funds and expertise, opting for a corporate 9-to-5 job is a sensible choice. Despite the stigma attached to it, such jobs offer learning opportunities and financial stability. Many successful individuals, myself included, kick-started their ventures while holding regular jobs. You can use the income, time, and skills gained to eventually transition into entrepreneurship. I rate this option a solid 7 out of 10. Alternatively, if you lack funds but have time, consider dropshipping. It involves selling products online without holding inventory, minimizing risk. The e-commerce market is booming, offering various platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and Walmart. Content creation to promote products can significantly boost sales. Dropshipping scores an 8.5 out of 10. Similarly, selling on online platforms like Etsy enables you to market handmade products, offering higher profit margins. Although time-intensive, it's lucrative and has lower competition. I'd rate this option an 8 out of 10. Moving on to leveraging expertise, coaching or consulting stands out. Sharing specialized knowledge, like Grant, who started with web development, can lead to substantial earnings. Coaching allows direct interaction, enhancing clients' success rates. It's my top recommendation, scoring a perfect 10. Speaking engagements are another avenue for experts to monetize their knowledge. While lucrative, they require notable expertise to command substantial fees. I'd rate this a 7 out of 10. Info products, such as courses, cater to specific niches, offering valuable insights. While less interactive, they're lucrative if solving simpler problems. However, achieving results may vary. I rate info products a 9 out of 10. Next, leveraging your brand involves affiliate marketing, ideal if you have a substantial online following. It's hands-off and allows you to test products, earning commissions. However, success hinges on traffic generation. I'd give this a 9.5 out of 10. Setting up newsletters, delivering high-value content can also be profitable if you have a sizable audience. While requiring brand leverage, it offers a consistent revenue stream. Newsletters receive a 9 out of 10. Lastly, leveraging money includes ventures like real estate, particularly Airbnb rentals. With upfront investment, it yields passive income, albeit requiring property investment. Real estate gets an 8.5 out of 10. Investing in a business, especially online ventures like YouTube channels, offers exponential returns. While requiring capital, it's unmatched in potential profitability. Business investment earns a perfect 10. In conclusion, these income streams cater to various circumstances, providing avenues for financial growth. Whether you have time, expertise, brand, or money, there's an opportunity to capitalize on. It's essential to evaluate based on personal strengths and resources to maximize success.